Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today in this video I will guide you how you can apply for Russian Scholarship Project Association Global Universities. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So guys, this is the website of Russian scholarships and I will give the link of this website in description, so you can check the link in description box. So first of all, here you can see some rules, universities, track, subjects, schedule. Registration for Open Doors Olympiad 2021-22 Open. New this year are the availability of the doctoral track in all subject areas, and the entry test registration closed on 10 December. So deadline is 10 December 2021. If you scroll down, foreigners from any country can participate in the Olympiad, and if any Russian residing outside of Russian, he is eligible for the scholarship. Participants of the master's track must have a bachelor's or specialist degree or be completing an appropriate level of education in 2022. Participants of the doctoral track will need a specialist or a master's degree. Additionally, to be allowed to participate, you will have to pass a short test in each of your selected subject areas. We designed it to make a preliminary evaluation of your knowledge level and get acquainted with the Olympiad's interface. If you are unable to pass this test in 5 attempts, you won't be able to start filling in your portfolio and participate in the Olympiad. Both master and doctoral tracks include 2 rounds that are held online. And the first round is a portfolio competition. Those who have been successfully selected after the evaluation of the portfolio are invited to take part in the second round, the Olympiad itself, which is a series of proctored online tests. In addition to those 2 rounds, the doctoral track include one additional round which consists of online interviews with up to 3 potential research advisors at the participant choices. If any of the interviews is successful, the participant choose a research advisor from among those who gave them a pass. So first of all, you have to click this button participate. So register as a participant. First of all, select your language. Then from here, select your citizenship. Please fill out the form with valid data, otherwise your results may not be recognized. So here write your first name, last name, enter your birthday, select your gender, write your phone number, email, enter your password. And password must contain at least 6 characters. Then again enter your password for confirmation. Next is participation subject area. So from here select the subject area, and after filling this form just click here register. So you have successfully registered. An email we send to the specified address with an instruction how to activate your account. So check the email, and in email you receive the instructions. So in email you receive this message because your email address was used when registering a new user on the server. So to confirm registration, follow the link below. So click here for confirmation. So user registration has been confirmed successfully. Go to profile page. Enter your email, password, and then click here login. So guys, after login, here are, please fill in the details on your education. So information about your education will be added to the achievement list on the portfolio page. So click here add education. From here select your academic degree, bachelor's, specialty, master. Select your country, academic institute name, year of graduation, graduate thesis topic, write here. I have been taught in English, yes or no. I have been taught in Russian, yes or no. All documents in your portfolio must be filled out in English or Russian. Documents in other languages will not be accepted without their translation into English or Russian. So upload your transcript and then click here save. Next is priority universities for admission. So from here select the University of Russia for admission. And you can select more than one universities from here. So next is portfolio. Fill in the portfolio. So in portfolio, common block of achievements is added once for all subjects areas. Achievements in this block will be graded individually in each subject area. You can add only one common achievement of each type. So description, motivation letter. So first fill the motivation letter. Write your research interest, personal goals, professional achievements, reasons for choosing a specific Olympiad subject, reasons for studying in Russia, and then click here save. Next is Russian language proficiency. So from here select the Russian language proficiency, yes or no, and save. So next is English language proficiency. Yes. Level of proficiency. Intermediate, advanced, beginner. So select according to you. And you have English language proficiency certificate, yes or no. So next is subject area achievements. Subject area achievements are added separately to each subject area. So click here add an achievement to a block by profile. From here select the achievement and then give the information of your achievement, title. For example, I select this report at a conference. So give the title, authors, conference, name, year, website, and then here upload your report, conference report, and then click here save. So now it will be reviewed, and after review you can submit the portfolio. So go back to your main account. And now you can give the entrance test. So click here proceed. Take preliminary test. To pass the test successfully, you need to answer 9 questions correctly. There are 5 attempts left. So click here start. Okay guys, I add the education information, university, and I fill the portfolio, but this is under review, and I passed the entrance test. So click here after filling all these informations, click here submit portfolio. So submit portfolio to jury. After that you will not be able to edit portfolio. So just check again and again all the information you give either is correct or not. So after checking, just click here submit. So guys, when you upload the portfolio, you will complete the first stage. So just wait for selection, and if you are selected, you will receive an email for stage 2 which will contain all the instructions for this stage. So in stage 2 will be an exam that will be taken online. You will be monitored online through a webcam, and if you are applying for master degree, you will select on the base of 2 stages. But if you are applying for PhD students, as a PhD students, then PhD students have to take stage 3. In stage 3, PhD students will be interviewed. So hope you guys understand how you can apply for Russian scholarship. This is simple. Just first you have to register and then sign in, and after sign in, just upload your education documents and other documents and give the entrance test. And after giving entrance test, you will be able to submit portfolio. So just submit the portfolio and wait for selection, and after selection you will be in stage 2. If you have any question related to this scholarship, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.